Our standard FlexArm mount is our Steel Flange Mount with 4 3/8/16 holes. Another popular option is our magnetic base mount with a pre-tapped FlexArm mount fixture pattern. With the strength of the magnet, you'll be able to make your FlexArm mobile. It's ideal for larger parts and ensuring perpendicularity job after job. Easy to use and move while also being strong enough to hold the torque produced by the air motor. Also, we have a C-clamp mount that can be used for our pneumatic tapping arm line. It comes ready to go with 4 pre-tapped FlexArm mount fixture holes for easy installation. This is a great alternative that's easy to adjust while also keeping your FlexArm sturdy and mobile. For more great content, check out our social media channels and visit our website, flexmachinetools.com.